Smriti Irani lost to Kishorilal Sharma.
Very unfortunate. Why
Were you
does-
expecting that?
No, not at all. Entire BJP got less number of seats.
Much less than
Much
expectation.
less than expected. So yeah, that she was one of the, in the whole thing that happened in UP. Yeah, she lost her seat.
Are you in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi Part 2? These flights which are coming back, Apra, the pilots are taking a call that thoda hua zara bhi wapas chalo. They don't want to take that risk now,
no more.
which they were taking earlier, perhaps. And I think this is great because if the pilots take a collective call all together that
Yeah.
let the commercial aspect of the airlines go to hell. And the government has to jump in. The aviation minister, the prime minister, the president, everybody has to jump in.
Now I'm going to do one show which is a big one, and I'll be shooting for it in
And
July.
which is
About which I cannot talk about.
at least you can tell us your role.
Role बहुत अच्छा
Are you
है.
playing a detective? Are you playing a doctor?
No,
something.
I'm playing a matriarch kind of a role. Kyunki is going to be a finite show for 150 or 200 episodes. Meghna Gulzar, when I got ready, she says, I want you looking exactly like Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. So my loose choti and red bindi and all. When I entered the set, she says, oh my God, you're looking so beautiful. And I said, Meghna, you have a mother called Rakhi ji. And you are telling me that I look good.
The press started calling you up and say, okay, Darshan का ये controversy हुआ है.
Oh.
आप बताओ. कोई
You
female
think
journalist,
I will ask him also anything about it?
कोई
Where?
female journalist
No.
ने बोला नहीं इसका मेरे साथ रिश्ता है.
Arey Bapre, that was not at all.
And I'm carrying his child and all
Come
that.
on, yaar. Come on.
Apra Mehta, thank you so much for joining me on the Vicky Lalwani show.
My pleasure.
It's my pleasure that I'm meeting you, and after so many years, I've really lost count.
Really. Same here. Because we have known you since 25 years. It is because Kyunki ke waqt se to we know you. We were in Goregaon West and you used to come there regularly. So matlab we have known you since like 25 years now.
I want to ask you straight away that are you in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi Part 2?
I'm not so sure because Savita's character had died. So as of now, we are talking about it, but I don't know how it will happen or what will happen. So I can't talk about it much. But let me tell you, Vicky, I'm so happy that it is happening as in the second season because it is 25 years of Kyunki, and this is the right tribute that you can give to an iconic show like Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Matlab, it changed the history of Indian television. 3rd of July 2000, when we went on air, KBC and Kyunki went on air on the same day. Star became totally Hindi since then. And believe me, it created history. Matlab, I'll tell you something. I have done some very good work after Kyunki also. 35 dailies. Last I was doing Anupama. But yet I'm known because of Kyunki. So what a big show it was. And it is still, and it will be even the second season.
I believe you are in talks. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, in talks.
But what does it mean? I mean, yes or no? Because it can't be in the middle. It has to be a no or a yes.
We are talking, but we don't know how Savita will be there. That we have not been able
because
to
your
figure out.
character
Has died.
Has died in the first part.
In the first part, yeah. And
So-
very well, I died in a very nice way. It was the whole topic and the content was of euthanasia. And I'm neck down paralyzed and I'm on ventilator, and finally I asked Tulsi to switch off. And it is said that a person lives for 6 to 8 minutes after it is switched off. And in that time, the scene that was written for me and Tulsi was mind-blowing. I try to tell her everything that I remember. किसको क्या खाना पसंद है, कौन सी फाइल कहाँ रखी है. I mean, what writing! It was so, and it was shot by a very young director called Gary, who is no more, unfortunately.
Yeah.
उसने shoot किया था. 3 cameras were placed, and we just did the scene in 1 hour 10 minutes. We shot it, and that was it. So I used to get myself completely tied down, because neck down, I was only one hand was moving a little. So I think it was such a nice death that was brought, and it was an unexpected one. See, everybody thought that Ba will die, but an unexpected death was something that really worked for the show at that point of time. So yes, yeah, she had died that way. So to bring her back has to be something as good, you know.
Are you looking forward to this show? Will you be disappointed if you're not cast?
I will be. Definitely, I will be. It's my show. It's our show. Ba is unfortunately no more. Sudhaji is no more. So, 2015 she passed away. Ba, Tulsi, me, Komalika, Gayatri ka role jo kar rahi thi, because many people mistake the name. So, we have been the best of friends. And I have to tell you something about Kyunki, that there were so many females. We all used to be in one room. We never went to, you know, separate room and all, nothing of that sort. And I have not come across a set of females like this who were achievers on their own in various fields of life. And we all came together in Kyunki. So coming from all females, extremely educated, very cultured, and all of them achievers. So I think a set of females like that. So we became friends for life. And like, we are not in touch with each other every day and all. We have a group, but we always make it a point to meet on 3rd July or somewhere around 3rd of July, have lunch or dinner together, all
Lovely.
of us. We always celebrate. And we also success together. So it's a very big thing, you know. So yes, it's a show which is very close to all our hearts, you know.
So have you spoken to Smriti Irani? Have you spoken to Kamolika, your friend?
Oh, we speak very regularly.
kya ho raha hai?
Smriti was in touch with us for a very long period of time. When she became very, very busy as MP, then we had to, like, she used to call us whenever she wanted to, or whenever she was coming to Mumbai. But since quite some time, we have not been in touch, because now, of course, all the security and also, yes, but I'm very proud of her. All of us are very proud of her. She has done so well for herself. So,
You know, there are two very interesting phases in her life. 3, of course. First is Kyunki. The second is when she defeated Rahul Gandhi. Did you really expect that she will be able to defeat Rahul Gandhi?
If she would have got more time in 2014 itself, she would have defeated him at that time also. But she got very less time. I was in US at that time for my shows. And when I came to know that she is contesting from Amethi, we were like, I said, oh my God, matlab, if she would have got a month more, she would have defeated him at that time itself. See, she's a very hardworking person, very intelligent, her grasping is like nobody's business. She's so good at languages. She knows everything. Matlab, she remembers everything so well, and so everybody has seen her talk, you know. Jab tak aap real kaam na karo, tab tak you do not know the inside out of everything. So yes, so I was so very happy in 2019. But 2024, I was very, very disappointed.
That was the third phase I was coming to.
Yeah.
So she lost to Kishori Lal Sharma.
Yeah. Very unfortunate. Why
Were you
does-
expecting that?
No, not at all. Because I know it for a fact how much she has worked in Amethi. I've seen it. I have not spoken to her about it, but we can see the work that she has done. And we know, all of us from Kyunki, we know that when she decides to do something, she will do it. So yeah, it is very surprising.
No, I can imagine her disappointment, but what do you think went wrong? Like you said, in the first 14 में उनको time नहीं था.
Time नहीं था. इस बार पता नहीं क्या हो गया. Something, I believe a lot in astrology. So maybe the time was not right for her. So, but
Did some astrologer tell you that the stars were not aligned for her?
no. Nobody told me that. I think so. I assume that because I believe a lot in astrology. So maybe it just did not work out. But see, then entire BJP got less number of seats. But
Much less than expectation.
Expected. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that she was one of the, you know, in the whole thing that happened in UP. Yeah, she lost her seat, which is very disappointing. But she'll come back. I'm so sure about her.
Do you think her comeback to television stems from the fact that she has lost in Amethi
Oh, no.
and maybe she's now lesser in politics?
Oh, no. She's very much there. Huh? People do not see her every day on screen or what she's doing in her constituency. But she has been going around the world for a lot of work for BJP, for a lot of work for Government of India. So she is not sitting at home at all. Whatever I've seen is that she's very busy. But just now she must have found a little time. And let me tell you, as of now, what we have known about it is that Kyunki is going to be a finite show for 150 or 200 episodes. We do not know if it works out later, then maybe they'll continue. I don't know about that. But this is what I've heard. So I think that is also the right thing. That is also the right thing.
Maybe that's the reason she has
Yeah,
signed up
maybe
for
that's
it.
why she can do it, you know,
Yeah.
for a certain period of time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you never know in Indian television.
हाँ, you never know.
कुछ चल गया तो
चल गया तो चल गया.
उसको एकता कपूर, राजन शाही कोई भी हो
हाँ.
बंद नहीं करेगा.
कोई नहीं करता है. ऐसी
स्टार भी खड़ा हो जाएगा कि नहीं बंद नहीं करना है.
नहीं, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली इट इज द बॉटम लाइन ना. इफ इट इज गेटिंग यू TRP, then why anybody should shut the show, whether it is the channel or the producer. वो तो bottom line तो हर कोई देखेगा.
How do you see the return of Amar in Kyunki 2? I mean, I personally believe that, you know, he shouldn't have gone away and, you know, decided to do films or whatever else he wanted to do.
Kyunki did everything that had never happened in Indian television, taking a leap of 20 years, then doing crossover episodes with Kyunki Kahani and all. It never happened it was so new in Indian television. So when we were go in for 20 years leap, some of us were very, very reluctant about playing that age, you know, at that point of time. So yeah, that's why Amar did not want to do it and all, and he left. So yeah, but good, he's coming back.
But you think it was a wise decision?
Even he knows that it was not a wise decision. It is always better to be on a number one show like Kyunki na, than doing anything else.
Have you met him?
No, I haven't met him. I've met him once or twice socially when he had come for somebody's Pratna Sabha or something. I met him. He still looks the same. Bilkul age. He has not aged at all. He still looks the same and he's as fun as he used to be. So yes, we met and बहुत प्यार से मिले एक दूसरे को. So yes, but then of course Ronit did it and all. So yeah, but I'm happy that he's back.
Yeah, I think he put out a post a day or two back saying that Smriti is telling him, "Tu buddha kab hoga?"
I know, but he has really not aged at all. He has not aged at all. बिल्कुल वैसा ही लगता है जैसे उस वक्त लगता था.
रोनित के आने में आपका हाथ था?
नहीं नहीं.
You said
no. What happened is we did not have a Mihir for a long time after we took the leap. So Tulsi was the hero and Ba Savita were the heroines. उस तरह से कहानी चल रही थी. But we how many phone calls will we do with Mihir? You know, we had to bring Mihir back. So finally we asked for a permanent Mihir, and
who asked?
All of us asked for Ronit, and he was doing Mr. Bajaj at that time. And we thought that age group mein he was just right. So we all said, please give us Ronit to us, you know, please give us Ronit.
And then Ekta ne kya bola?
He's doing Kasauti. So we said, ho jayega. But you know, he was the right Mihir also. And that age group ke liye he was just right, you know. So yes, Ronit was also, he's such a fine actor. Very, very fine actor.
After Kyunki, your life still continues where we see Aparna Mehta working as much as before.
Yes.
क्या मुझे तो लगता है आपने जिंदगी में सिर्फ काम किया है.
बहुत ज़्यादा ही काम किया है.
The way you have worked 150 plays.
150 plays, लेकिन उसमें भी ऐसा है कि my first 1000 was with एक महल हो सपनों का. So 1997 when एक महल हो सपनों का started, मतलब it started as a Gujarati daily, Sapna Navavetar. So the producers Vipul A. Shah and Shobna Desai were the producers. They said साथ में हम लोग हिंदी भी करेंगे, गुजराती नहीं चली तो. So they decided to do this as a bilingual, first and last bilingual show. So we started. So Atish Kapadia used to write it in Hindi. The script used to come in Hindi. We gave the first shot in Hindi, and we did we translated it ourselves in Gujarati, and we gave the same shot in Gujarati. So 1997, and I thought इससे ज़्यादा TV की popularity हो ही नहीं सकती है. And then it came in Hindi also, and so Hindi also went on for 1000 in Gujarati, 1000 plus in Gujarati, 1000 plus in Hindi. So when my Kyunki happened 1000, I had just mentioned that it is my second 1000. So that time Sameer Nair was there. He just asked me which was the first 1000. I said it was Ek Mahal Ho Sapno Ka. So Kyunki was 1001. For me, it was my second 1000, you know. So yeah, very, very proud of what work I've done. But when I died in Kyunki, when Savita died in Kyunki, 7th day I was in Saath Fere. 7th day. So when first of all, people did not believe that Savita will die, but the death happened. So the moment that episode was on air and it got over, my phone started ringing. जब मैं वो बेड पर से शूट करके उतरी थी ना, I had no idea, I had no clue what are the other production houses outside. The only thing I had in my hand was my Gujarati drama. So the phone started ringing. 10 offers in one night, in a matter of 1 hour, you know, after 10:30. 11 o'clock को episode खत्म हुआ. And I thought the fourth वाली जो थी ना, वो बहुत अच्छा था. So that was Saath Fere. And Purnendu ji, who later also wrote Balika Vadhu, he was writing that show and he gave me a narration. Oh my God. And I said, okay, this is the show I have to do. Zee was coming back with Saath Fere. It was going on 4.5 ki TRP us waqt. And my entry gave them 7.5 ki TRP for 4 months that I was there. And then they brought me back also later on for another 10 months. But so I have not sat at home. I have just kept on work. See the kind of work which came my way. अब last में मुझे अगर अनुपमा जैसा शो भी मिलता है, तो मतलब रिश्ता में I did a cameo for Rajan ji. Then I did this Anupama also. It was going to be a cameo of 2 months only. It went on for 9 months, and yes, we had. I was so fortunate. Then when Balika Vadhu happened, na, I just thought कि अरे यार ये तो गांव की, मैं तो गरीब भी नहीं लगूंगी, मैं बेचारी भी नहीं लगूंगी, मैं तो हट्टी कट्टी खाते पीते घर की हूँ, सो मुझे तो वही विल ठकुराइन का ही रोल करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट वाज द राइट टाइम आई शिफ्टेड टू कॉमेडी. तारक के वक्त साथ में एक दूसरी सीरियल शुरू हुई थी सब पर, दैट विच वॉज कॉल्ड सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो. सुमित वॉज देयर, टिकू वॉज देयर, आई वॉज देयर. ब्रिलियंट कॉमेडी.
आई रिमेंबर पीपल सेइंग at that time कि comedy is not Apras forte.
हाँ, yeah. And I
because
always
that सास का एक जो छाप आ गया था.
हाँ. So I used to tell people that I'm the best at comedy. मेरे गुजराती ड्रामा सारे के सारे इतने कॉमेडी में इतने अच्छे करती थी. Nobody believed me. But when I got to do that Damini Devi Diwan का role in Sajan Re Jhoot Mat Bolo, I was like, oh my God, this cannot be happening to me, you know. So my best plays in comedy has been with Dilip Joshi, Jatin Kanakia, who's no more. Unfortunately, he was there in Shriman Shrimati में जो lead था ना, that guy. Such a brilliant actor on Gujarati stage. So my best plays with Dilip, Jatin, Siddharth Randeri, all of them, such good plays I've done in Gujarati in comedy plays. Serious भी मैं बहुत करती हूँ, लेकिन comedy भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से करती हूँ, because I'm a very fun loving person, you know, and I can laugh on myself also, I can laugh on others also, and I can have fun, you know. So I'm a very chilled out person that way. So yes, so many shows I did.
You did movies also. You did Tismar Khan. You did.
Tismar Khan.
You did Devdas.
Devdas in the year 2000, same year that Kyunki started.
And that Devdas was a fantastic role.
I know. It was, it was a tiny part, but when Sanjay Leela Bhansali calls you for a show, for a film, you don't have to ask him anything. मतलब वो जो देंगे वो, thank you so much. But yeah, it was an experience, you know. It was an experience. Devdas जैसा experience मिलना. And Tismar Khan was very funny in the sense that I was doing Comedy Circus in 2008. It was the second season of Comedy Circus, and you know who was my partner? Shailesh Lodha was then playing Tarak Mehta. उसका casting भी वहीं पर हुआ था in Mohan Studio, you know. So Farah had come as a guest judge. And she saw one act of mine and Shailesh, and she said, oh my God, Apara, how can you do this? Whichever next film I am going to shoot, I am going to cast you.
And she remembered.
And she remembered. She found my number and she got... For 17 days, I could not get in touch with her. I said, Farah, please don't cast me. My new serial has gone on air. I have no dates. She says, I know that you are a TV actor. You will have no dates. But please, I want you to do this. And she called me. She says, I'll take your minimum dates. She took my 8 dates and she finished my entire shoot in 7.5 days, which was, and then when I was called for the trailer ke dubbing ke liye, so I said, acha, that means I have a role. Aisa nahi hai. Whatever she had narrated to me was all there in the film.
कुछ कटा नहीं था.
कुछ कटा नहीं था.
तो देवदास के बाद या फिर तीसमार खान के बाद, why didn't it take you further in films?
Why films? Tell me why films.
You didn't enjoy films?
No. Who wouldn't want enjoy films? But as a female actor of my age group, I get the best roles in TV. सो जहाँ कोई बी कैटेगरी या उनके लीड्स हैं एंड आई एम प्लेइंग अ मदर, इफ आई डोंट हैव अ रोल गुड इनफ, or the reason has to be different, you know. The reason has to be Sanjay Leela Bhansali or Priyadarshan, where I did Ye Tera Ghar Ye Mera Ghar, or I did Just Married for Meghna Gulzar, or Farah Ke Liye 30 Mark. The reasons were those directors wanted me. So then you don't have to ask any question. When a director thinks that you fit this role, you don't have to ask
But
any
did you
question.
get roles where you felt कि बहुत छोटा है यार ये
नहीं, I was very
मुझे नहीं
clear
करना है,
about the
इससे
reason.
तो अच्छा मैं टीवी में खुश हूँ.
नहीं, वो तो टीवी तो मेरा चल ही रहा था ना.
बराबर
मुझे
है,
किसने टीवी में
लेकिन
से
फिल्म में ऐसे कुछ रोल्स मिले जो आपको नहीं पसंद
No,
आए.
no. I was very clear. Meghna Gulzar, when I got ready, she says, I want you looking exactly like Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Wo Thi. So my loose choti and red bindi and all. So when I entered the set, she says, oh my God, you're looking so beautiful. And I said, Meghna, you have a mother called Rakhi ji. And you are telling me that I look good. But see, this is how she envisioned, her mind had this as a mother, as a wife. So that was just right. जब कोई director को when you she or he feels that she fits the role perfectly, तो क्या चाहिए और. So my reasons were always like that. But tell me one thing, मेरी age group के लिए मुझे TV में best roles मिलते हैं, तो मैं क्यों फिल्में करने जाऊँ. आएगी कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, कर लूँगी. But it has to be worth. When I was shooting for a reality show on Star Plus called dance reality show था normal लोगों का, तो Ronit, me and Shweta were the judges. So in that one day, because that time Bachna Hai Sino was going to be, so they had the whole team had come for this what do you say, for the promotion. So it was Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika and Mahi Vij and who else? Bipasha Basu, all of them had come. So that time I had told Ranbir, I said, I know that you have a very beautiful mom, but someday I would want to play your mom on screen.
So you're waiting for that.
I will wait for that.
You want to play Ranbir Kapoor's mother.
Who wouldn't want to? Who wouldn't want to?
I am sure the filmmakers are listening.
Yeah, I'm sure.
This show is watched.
I'm sure.
Tell me, there was a phase in your life, I think 2003, when you decided to be separated from your husband. What was the reason?
There were no reasons. He left home. And there was, even today, we both really we have not talked about it or what was his reason. But I believe, Vicky, after looking back, I feel, see, we are still married to each other. First, let me make that very clear, that we both are still married to each other. And we both are very much in touch with each other. My daughter is very much in touch with my husband. So off and on we meet also. But he wants to do his kind of work. I want to do my kind of work. And nothing that was said to each other. He just wanted, I think, his freedom or something. I don't know.
You were not clamping his freedom.
Not clamping his freedom. But with marriage comes responsibility. And I'll tell you something. I think first 23 years of my marriage were a dream marriage.
1980 to 2003.
Yeah. A dream marriage. It
was a very romantic marriage. It was a very passionate marriage.
Yeah.
I think you married twice.
Yeah. With the same person, both of us.
Yeah. And after a month.
Yeah.
Just because your mom and dad wanted to have a lavish
wedding.
तो क्या पहले उन्होंने oppose किया था?
हाँ. We both were very young. And my mother and Darshan were acting in the same play. So she knew him very well. And she thought that I had a whole world in front of me. Why do you both want to tie down each other and at that age, you know? But we just wanted. Those days, the live-in and all those things were not there. So it was marriage. So yes, we both married each other. And fabulous in-laws I had, all from Gujarati theatre. Very progressive Gujarati family. So I had such a good time living with them, you know.
तो एक महीना वो नाराज थे, फिर एक महीने के बाद सब ठीक हो गया और आपने दूसरी बार शादी की. Great. तो मनाया किसने?
हाँ?
मनाया किसने?
No, I had not left them with any choice, huh?
You are the only daughter.
I am the only child.
But they must be worried when Darshan, your husband,
my father had
walked out.
My father had passed away. My mom was living with me. And my mom and Darshan were very close to each other. And never once my mom has spoken anything wrong or bad about Darshan outside or in the home also.
Okay, within your relatives, within your friend
Never.
circle,
Never.
Okay.
Never. See, she was always a very wise person, and Darshan and my mother. Actually, Darshan was very close to my dad, and when he passed away, Darshan was he was really shattered at that point of time. But see, Darshan had many reasons, his business going haywire and everything. So, but I also believe that husband and wife should not be in the same profession. You know, I think so. It is better if they are not in the same profession. So, yeah, but he wants to do his kind of work. I'm doing very commercial work, according to him, into inverted comma commercial work. But I'm very happy doing commercial popular work. It's okay.
Did he ever get little annoyed because you were working so much
Yeah.
and out of the house?
Mm.
Did that annoy him? Some men do get annoyed with that fact.
He never said that.
But
It must have, because I was so much out. Those days there was no time limit for shootings, and after the shoot I used to go and do my Gujarati drama. So I used to leave my home at 5:36 in the morning for a 7 o'clock
round
shift,
the clock.
and coming back at 1:30 at night, 1:30, quarter to 2. So yeah, it was a very hectic life, but I needed to work that much. You know that I needed to work.
Was it tough on your daughter?
She has grown up very well. I think sometimes, she used to call me up and ask me, Appa, are you in Mumbai or no, you are out of town? So there used to be times. But then my mom was there not to take care of my home, of Khushali. So that was never an issue. And she was grown up by that time. She was in, up to her 10th, I really did not work that way. Up to her 12th, actually, I did not work that way. But by that time, she was in college and all, so it was okay.
No, I'm asking you why, because at that age the child understands. So was it tough for her in terms of, okay, now I'll have to live with one parent?
No, when Darshan left,
Yes.
she was always a daddy's little girl, out of which she turned out to be mama's girl.
And how did that happen?
She said that you both have raised me very well, and you have taught me what is truth. So I have decided to be on the side of the truth. And Darshan Papa, this time I think Appa is on the side of the truth. This is what she had said.
And then I think there was a phase in your life, maybe recently I would say, which became a little torrid for you, because I think when the press started calling you up and say, okay, Darshan ka ye controversy hua hai.
Oh.
Aap batao. Koi
You
female
think
journalist,
I will ask him also anything about it?
कोई female journalist
No.
ने बोला नहीं इसका मेरे साथ रिश्ता है.
Arey Bapre, that was not at all.
And I'm carrying his child and all that.
Come on, yaar. Come on. I did not
You
even
didn't
get into it.
You didn't get into it.
I did not get into it. Only once I was asked by Times Now, or somebody had called me, and with so much of this thing, said, I'm really, really sorry, Aparaji, but what do you have to say about this? I said, nothing. Nothing. I've never said anything outside, ever in public, ever in media, in press. I've never spoken about this at all. This is my very personal life, and I do not want it, outside. I don't want to. There is actually no dirty linen to wash also between me and Darshan. So there is nothing of that sort.
I can see the respect which you.
Even he has the same respect.
I mean, you
for me.
have.
Even he has the same respect for me. And all this now, how can. See, the way I've known Darshan, the way my daughter has known Darshan, this cannot be, And if it is, then again, I will say that maybe bad time of his, bad stars, something must, I don't know. But I have no idea about it. I did not even ask Darshan about it. He did not tell me anything. And that has been that.
So how often you all meet?
We do meet, any birthdays we meet each other. Like just now Khushali's birthday was there, he could not come on that day. So one of the days we'll have lunch, dinner, something together. So yeah, he comes home once in a while. He came to see this new place and everything. And is very proud of me about what all I've done. So recently I had done a TED talk in some Delhi college. So they had asked him, so he could not make it. So who else can you suggest the name? He said, as an achiever woman, I don't know anybody better than Apara. So he had given my name for that. So yeah, he has the same respect that I have for him. And that is always going to remain. So we are still married to each other. It will be now 45 years. 45 years.
So what makes you, okay, not go for the legal separation and say, okay, let it be, we are staying separately?
Yeah, how does it even matter? Tell me.
It doesn't really, but sometimes
I don't want to marry again.
people want
He
to.
doesn't want to marry again. So, how does it even matter? It doesn't matter anymore. Times are changing, things are changing in such a way, na? It really doesn't matter at all. So, yeah, I had once asked him, I said, when you travel abroad and all, what do you write? He says, married. And when you have to fill up the form, so married. I said, whose name do you write in the wife's name? He says, yours. Even I write Darshan's name. We are still married to each other. He's still my husband, I'm still his wife. Legally, so we are still. फिर साथ में रहे ना रहे, how does it even matter?
You know, something very interesting caught my eye, and that is so true because many other actors have also told me this, that the TV industry has changed so much that people sign you if you have more followers on Instagram.
Oh God, it's horrible, nahi? Yeah.
Why is this happening? And acting is not considered. Followers हैं, आ जाओ.
हाँ नहीं बाद में उनको रिप्लेस भी करना पड़ता है. But I'll tell you something. So I was never on any social media. I'm still not on Facebook. I'm not on X or Twitter that it was before. In 2020, then my daughter told me, now you can be on Instagram. That is sort of innocent, and I'm sure that you are going to be very bored of it because मुझे photo निकालने की आदत है.
Instagram is no more innocent.
अच्छा, it is not अच्छा. Even on Instagram, I'm so bad. I don't post anything. कुछ नहीं मेरा post कर. ये क्या मैं तो suppose month में 20 बार मैं अहमदाबाद मुंबई कर रही हूँ कि मैं I'm on the airport. ये सब करने वाली हूँ मैं. नहीं करूँगी मैं ये सब. This is my job. I don't want to talk about it all the time. People who don't have, who are doing off and on, उनको ये सब दिखावा करना पड़ता है. मेरे लिए तो ये सब जॉब है मेरा. 20 दिन मैं अहमदाबाद मुंबई कर रही हूँ तो ये 20 बार मैं फोटो निकालूंगी क्या?
Let me ask you a straight question. Have you been rejected saying that आपके followers कम हैं?
Never. And I will tell you something. ये जो 20 सेकंड 10 सेकंड्स के रील्स बना सकते हैं, यू आर सिंगिंग लिप सिंकिंग समबडी टाइट क्लोज में समबडी सॉन्ग, यू आर लिप सिंकिंग इट, दैट्स नॉट एक्टिंग. किसी का अच्छा डांस देख लिया आपने कर लिया, दैट्स नॉट डांसिंग. एक्टिंग रिक्वायर्स much more, and to do a role which goes on for years requires much more than just doing reels on Instagram and all these things, you know. If you see, मैं 20-25 दिन तक कुछ पोस्ट नहीं करती हूँ. कभी कभी मेरे फॉलोअर्स कम होते हैं, which I do not even understand. देखती तक नहीं हूँ मैं.
Your daughter must be coming and telling you तुम्हारे followers कम हो गए.
नहीं, she says it doesn't matter, appa. It doesn't matter to her also. But no.
She is not hooked on Instagram.
She is on Instagram.
She is hooked on Instagram.
She is not. Not at all. I am a little more than her. She is not hooked on at all. Sometimes I'm so much on YouTube and watching all the videos and everything. So she now scolds me. The one things that parents have to do it to the child. I'm only watching all my, political videos and all the time I'm watching on YouTube. So many things I watch. So, otherwise we are not that social media type at all.
And tell me one thing. You've done TV now. You've done films. You have done plays. What's next? OTT?
I'm already, I did one. The moment lockdown.
No, you want to deep dive into OTT? I know you have done OTT. Do you want to deep dive into it?
If I get good roles, why not? And
because
if I
there
get
is a
good,
certain switch which actors are taking. No, I'll do now only web show.
No, that is also wrong. That is also wrong. See, then you need to get a lot of work.
Yes.
See, mentally, I'm still a TV actor. Okay? So I'm used to working for a certain number of days, always in a month, and getting a check at the end of the month, right? So that is my mindset. And OTT has different way of, the popularity. Like, for example, many times I heard that they said that we don't want TV actors. But then let me tell you something, no?
This is true. Many actors have told me.
Yeah. No, but then let me tell you that we come with so much of experience and we catch the eyeballs. Believe you me. So when I did Decoupled, we were shooting in Delhi. I used to go there regularly.
Interesting role that is.
Interesting, na?
Yeah.
That again, the director wanted me. Hardik Mehta wanted me. And they all said, but she's TV and she's doing a lot of Gujarati thing. So he just, when I was doing my look test, he just came and sat next to me and said, I don't want you to do any makeup, no big bindi. And you know, people think that you do only Gujarati type. So this was a Delhi Punjabi. So I dressed up like a Delhi Punjabi. But you know, I also learned that there is a different way of. So let me tell you, we catch eyeballs. That is number one. Where when I was shooting in Delhi, as much as Madhavan was photographed, I was photographed with them, you know. People just ran with them when they saw me, you know. Kyunki saas bhi kabhi bahu thi, it was Savita all the time. So we catch the
You
eyeballs.
become
that
a
is-
household name.
Yeah, and before social media, that is. Before social media. क्योंकि कहानी कसौटी
That's a very
कहीं किसी
important
रोज.
point.
Yes, very, very important point. So that's why we don't even think of social media.
You don't
much.
rely on it, you don't
Oh,
bank
no,
on
no,
it, you don't
who
lean
does-
on it.
कैसे ये 24 घंटे हर चीज का फोटो निकालते रहो? It's so boring. How can you be doing that? You know, I don't even do reels. So when you're on the set, somebody youngster will come, let's do a reel. I'll say I'll not even know how to do a reel. You know, so we are not even trained for those things. So yeah, but OTT, yes, I'm recently now I'm going to do one show, which is a big one, and yeah, I'll be shooting for it in
And
July.
which is
About which I cannot talk about.
nothing. At least you can tell us your role. मतलब,
Role बहुत अच्छा
are you
है.
playing a detective? Are you playing a doctor?
No,
something.
I'm playing a matriarch kind of a role.
Okay.
So अच्छा
they're quite
है.
a main role.
Sort of, no. There are very big actors in it. But see, again, that director wanted me. When I did Staff Room, again the director wanted me. When I did OTT पर वो Oops Ab Kya, which is Jane the Virgin का original remake, official remake, that time also the director wanted me. So I think that's a great thing when the director feels, oh, she fits the role. So that is, I think, very, very
That's the
nice.
biggest compliment because
Yeah.
the director is the captain of the ship.
Also, Vicky, let me tell you, I learnt also a lot of things while doing these 3-4 web series that I did. That the first time that I was called for reading, so I said, reading? मैं तो पूरा पेज मुझे ऐसे दे दो, ऐसे ऐसे कर, हाँ चलो टेक करो. This is how we actors on TV are trained. So they sat down to read and everybody, and when they started reading, bells went off in my mind. And I said, oh my God, I will have to clean my slate and learn to write all over again. By the time मेरे episode की reading का शुरुआत हुई, I was right in the groove. And that was because of my experience. And even afterwards, because I'm working with so many young directors, I make it a point to keep on asking them, am I doing it right? Is this what you want? Because at the end of it, director is the captain of the ship. It is his version that I'm supposed to enact. If I want to put in any more colors, then I ask him, कि इसके साथ ऐसे भी करूं? Then I make it a point to ask the director. And yeah, but please don't forget the fact that we are extremely experienced actors and we catch the eyeballs.
Is there any scene you remember in Kyunki or any other serial where you said, I don't want to do this scene for a certain reason?
Not much in Kyunki, because let me tell you, we were so ahead of the time, what TV happened later, कि उसमें मतलब never, suppose if I sometimes watch some shows and I feel कि ये तो taking the society 20, 25, 50 years back, you know, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. So never, we used to ask at that time if we felt that the scene is not working out or it's not nice. Those days we could call up the writer, or somebody would call Ekta and ask her कि इसमें ऐसे ऐसे changes कर सकते हैं, to make it very today's, 25 years ago today's, now today's. So no, I've never come across any such scene which I'm not comfortable doing or I don't like it or anything. I've been very fortunate, let me tell you, Vicky. I've been very fortunate. God has been very kind to me for giving me the kind of work that He has given me. And yeah, not having to do things where I feel, ये क्या कर रही हूँ मैं?
Has God been kind to you in finance, by which I mean that आपको हर शो का पेमेंट मिला है?
Oh yes, I've been so fortunate.
कितने एक्टर्स बोलते हैं हमें यहाँ नहीं मिला, वहाँ नहीं मिला?
वो बाद की बात है. I'm too senior that
Of course
way.
now you are, but I'm talking about the early days as well.
Never. See, and you know, also I'm a producer's actor. I have always understood one thing, that if my producer survives, I'll survive. सो ये हमेशा लोगों को प्रोड्यूसर कितना पैसा बनाता है, हम लोगों को नहीं मिलता है, ऐसा नहीं होता है ऑलवेज.
ये बहुत एक्टर स्क्रिप्ट करते रहते हैं.
हाँ, it is not always like that. No, it is not always like that. Producer also has to work very hard. He or she is taking the risk of making that show, putting their money, and they are doing that show. If suddenly, if it doesn't work out, so they are going to take the hit the most. So, for me, fortunately for me, it has never happened. It happened once where a show wound up in 3 months. Optica show tha, and they just said that we have really gone through this. So what can you do about it? So I just told him that I'll go back to my Sajan Re Jhoot Mat Bolo ka per day. You had given me a raise. I'm going back to that per day, and I had shot for you for 29 days. You pay me for 25 days.
सेटल कर दो.
सेटल कर दिया. उसी दिन मैंने सेटल. आई सेड अच्छा इतना होता है तो व्हेन डू आई कम टू टेक द चेक एट द ऑफिस? दे सेड टुडे इवनिंग. आई वेंट एंड आई टुक इट. इतना आसानी से because I've done so many shows with Balaji, so many shows with Opti. So I know that they are not going to not pay me or anything of that sort. तो मुझे कभी ये एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ. God has been very kind to me.
You say you're a producer's actor. The first producer that comes to mind in television is obviously Ekta Kapoor. You have worked with her for a very, very long time.
Yeah.
Now, कई बार सुनते थे उस वक्त, आज नहीं सुनते हैं, कि एकता कपूर इज़ वेरी हॉट हेडेड. गुस्से में आ जाती है, भड़क जाती है. तो ऐसा कभी हुआ आपके साथ? कभी वो सेट पर आई या कुछ डांटा?
नहीं, ऐसा तो कभी नहीं हुआ. जनरल आकर कुछ बोल के गई होगी तो इट डिड नॉट affect us at all. But understand one thing, Vicky. If a producer has 23 shows on air in various languages and all on top, that producer has to be strict. She cannot be ke nahi main to I will not be strict. She has to survive on top is the most difficult.
Yeah.
So if she's strict about certain things, she has to be. It's her job to be strict. So we have never experienced anything like that. And very, very, in fact, we used to have meetings every time that in Kyunki and during Kyunki, and we used to give our opinions about what this story track is going to be. And everybody had the right to give their opinions about it also. So she heard everybody, the writers heard everybody. So our time was very different, very different. And she always respected us a lot, a lot. So I will not say that she's hot-headed or anything. Hot-headed उसको रहना ही पड़ेगा. इतनी बड़ी कंपनी चला रही है वो. That time she was so young, and even now she's young only.
I completely agree with you. You reaching the top may not be so difficult, but to be holding on there and maintaining yourself at that position,
it's so difficult.
Is far more difficult than just reaching it.
Generally क्या लगता है लोगों को कि अरे कोई बिजनेसमैन होगा, बिगेस्ट बिजनेसमैन यू टेक ऑफ इंडिया, उन लोग तो कितना पैसा बनाते हैं, उन लोग कितना क्या काम करते हैं, वो लोग कौन सा रिस्क लेते हैं. वैसे प्रोड्यूसर्स का भी ऐसा है कि वो लोग क्या रिस्क ले रहे हैं. 3-3 महीने में जब ये शो बंद हो जाता है तो कितना प्रॉब्लम है. सो मैनी प्रॉब्लम्स कम फॉर द प्रोड्यूसर्स. इट इज़ नॉट ईजी. एक्टर्स के लिए ठीक है, और उसमें भी ये दे ऑल सी टू इट दैट द टेक्नीशियंस आर पेड. उन लोगों को पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, उनको सेट का इतना पैसा.
I've never heard of Balaji not paying people.
They have always.
I mean, I've been around for 25 years.
Yeah, see, बालाजी की उस तरह से बात ही अलग है. It's one Balaji and then rest of them.
Yeah.
आप कितने भी, even Rajan Shahi, I must say, I've had fabulous experience with him.
And all his shows are doing so well.
So well. तो वो क्यों पे नहीं करेंगे? Tell me. Why would they not want to pay you? So yes, no.
Both these people, Rajan and Ekta, I think they think, talk, breathe, walk, talk, only work.
Only work.
बाकी वो पार्टी में आ जाएंगे, केक काट लेंगे, फोटो निकाल लेंगे.
But only it's only work.
Mentally they are
and
there.
Both of them, fortunately for me, have respected me so much for everything. They have respected me. मतलब Rajan Shahi also, I must say, the first day I went to shoot for Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, I was going to do a cameo. 7 in the morning, he came with Romesh Kalra and his main director. In the morning at 7, with a huge bouquet, a cake and a card, thank you ka card. He need not do that for me. So then he reminded me that Aparaji, I directed you in Jassi Jaisi Koi Nahi. When I was doing Kyunki, मैंने 2 महीने का cameo किया था Jassi Jaisi Koi Nahi में. And then I'm just looking at him and I said, yes, he was so young at that time. I was also younger. Yes, Rajanji, you were directing the show. So मतलब but it was so sweet and so nice of him. ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है उनको.
That reminds me, everybody was trying to figure out who is Jassi. They had put up
Yeah.
posters on the bus stop, and I was working in IndianTelevision.com with Anil Manmari. Now, my editor Thomas there says that this show is coming tomorrow, and the heroine is not known. I'm giving you 2 hours. You have to find out. I want to break this news on the side, and you can do it. I don't know how, whom I called. I really don't know. I've forgotten that source today. But I got the name right.
अच्छा.
And before the show went on here, I'm sure Sony was very upset and Mona was also very upset.
right.
And then, of course, everybody knew that she was wearing braces. For 2 months, she was wearing braces even in her interviews
In her interviews, yeah.
to keep that look
Yeah.
going. And we said, Jassi is Mona Singh.
Oh.
एक रात पहले.
एक रात, oh my God.
Those were days when
Very nice shows were happening,
We
you know?
broke news.
Yeah.
People got upset with us, but only for a while.
Yeah.
They never carried it.
So like hit list आता था पता है इसमें भी in Mumbai Mirror.
In Midday.
So, in Midday, हाँ.
Yeah. I was working for Midday first.
हाँ.
Then I joined Mumbai Mirror.
So you know what happened once? क्या कौन सी story break हुई थी मेरे बारे में? Oh my God, I was so embarrassed. But you know when I do this 20 days up and down between Ahmedabad Mumbai, so my days starts at 7 o'clock I start shooting in Mumbai, 4 o'clock I sit in the car, 6 o'clock flight I fly to Ahmedabad, do my show there, 3:45 in the morning Ahmedabad airport जाती हूँ, फिर से 5 बजे की flight पकड़ती हूँ, 7 बजे से shoot करना. So 20 days a month I'm doing that, okay? So the moment I sit in, I'm the last one to, you know, जल्दी security में गई और so you know, suppose if I'm hungry or I want to go to the loo, I have no time for that. अच्छा plane में बैठूंगी ना, उसके बाद कुछ खाऊंगी, I'll go to the loo. जैसे बैठती हूँ fast asleep and I'm snoring away to glory. So one day, then I did not even now I don't get up with the you know landing of the flight. And then somebody who was sitting third row from me, he said, "Aparaben, Ahmedabad aa gayi," he's telling me. So I just woke up and I said, "हाँ." Snoring too much, he's telling me. Snoring too much. So I said, yes, this I'm doing every day. So there used to be times कि सुबह की अहमदाबाद की flight से there were all males. I was the only female passenger. And everybody, most of them used to meet me in the evening again. अरे, again going to Ahmedabad, shows छे. They will all Gujaratis will ask me
Snoring
that.
गया कि नहीं? क्योंकि एक बार आ जाता है तो जाता नहीं.
गया बाद में.
गया.
कब गया पता है? 1997 से 2020 में जब से मेरा snoring शुरू हुआ, when I slept and I slept and I slept during the lockdown, मेरी बॉडी में इतनी थकान थी शायद. So after that my snoring went.
You were 39 and you were playing a sass and you were running up and down
Every day.
to Ahmedabad. And
For
that
so
reminds
many
me,
years.
I'm sorry, but this reminds me of the crash which
Oh my God,
happened.
I don't even want to. Next day I was going to fly to Bangalore और मुझे
Achha, the 13 June you were supposed to fly.
13 June I was
12th the
supposed-
crash
yeah,
happened.
12th the crash happened. I was, for the first time, I was scared and nervous. And you know, I fly abroad also a lot. I take a lot of long hauls flights also, Mumbai, New York, Mumbai, London. I do take all of them a lot also. So, you know, I know that once you are in that aircraft, there is no looking back. You have to. So this time in March, I went to USA for my shows. My daughter was also acting with me. And for the first time, I gave a call to Darshan and I said, Darshan, we both are going. See, ours is a very small family.
Yeah.
With my mom gone now, we are only 2 of us. If something happens, Darshan says, why are you even talking about that, you know?
But ये ख्याल सबको आते हैं.
Yeah.
ये
But
ख्याल
then,
आते
you know,
हैं. And
then
when you know when that
then I told my,
when it races on the
I
runway.
spoke very officially to my CA. I sent him a voice note of what all I would want if something happens to me.
Just like you did in the show क्योंकि
हाँ, I know.
स्मृति को सब बता दिया.
उनको बताया, मेरे 2 cousins को बताया. So both my cousins are saying, why are you even talking about this? I said, no, I have to be practical.
When it races on the runway, as I mentioned earlier, once it starts racing, you know you're trapped. You
You're
can't do
trapped.
anything.
You can't do anything. That's it. That's it. But
What a
बहुत
tragedy.
श्रद्धांजलि. Oh
what
my
a
God,
tragedy.
what a tragedy. एक जो stories बाहर आती है ना, I don't even want to think about it. You know, ऐसा मैं नहीं करती हूँ कि मैं नहीं पढ़ती हूँ. I do listen to, watch such videos or but this cannot be happening.
I think the government needs to get into each and every flight of Air India
Yeah.
and stop them from flying. if
So
they
many
are
of them
not
are-
able to maintain their standards.
Yeah, no, I think so many of them are grounded also. There's a problem.
And I think
in
the
those
same procedure should be followed for
787.
Indigo also.
Yeah, all of them. Flight is a flight.
For all other airlines.
Yeah. Thoda, I think this is nature's way of telling us, God's way of telling us to slow down a little.
I'll tell you what I have noticed. These flights which are coming back, Apra, the pilots are taking a call that थोड़ा हुआ जरा भी वापस चलो. They don't want to take that risk now,
no more.
which they were taking earlier, perhaps. And I think this is great because if the pilots take a collective call all together that let the commercial aspect of the airlines go to hell. It is my safety, it is the passenger's safety, and I have to turn back.
Turn back, yeah. It is just right, you know. It can, and it's also God's way. अब जैसे मैं ये 20 दिन मुंबई में शूटिंग है, वहाँ शो है, एक भी शो मेरी वजह से कैंसिल नहीं हुआ है. लेकिन मैंने कितनी so that was the time my CA had told me, please make a will of yours. He had told me 20 years ago, please make a will of yours because you are leading a very risky life. तब मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आया कि मैं क्या रिस्क ले रही हूँ. अभी नाउ ओ माय गॉड, ये बार मार्च में भी जब अमेरिका गई तो बहुत याद आ गया कि व्हाट रिस्की लाइफ.
But let them come back. Let the flight get delayed for 2 hours, 3 hours.
It doesn't matter.
ये सब झूठ जो बोलते हैं ना कि हम 12 बजे पहुंचने वाले हैं और पहुंच जाते हैं 11:45. वो आपको हमेशा आजकल हर एयरलाइंस 20 मिनट 25 मिनट
जल्दी
आगे का टाइम देते हैं और वहां बोलेंगे see we have arrived early and try to create an impression. This all fakeness has to end.
And it has to end.
And the government has to jump in. The aviation minister, the prime minister, the president, everybody has to jump in.
Everybody felt that if he would have got a little ground which was empty, he might have, some of them might have survived.
And all these theories, you know, which started from, I think it started from Captain Steve, who said कि driver, ये pilot ने gear ऊपर नहीं किया होगा, नीचे कर दिया होगा. I mean, what nonsense.
What nonsense. नहीं सब.
आप जब प्लेन को लेके चढ़ते हो तो डर होता है एक, सबको होता है.
सबको होता है.
तो पहले तो वो 2 मिनट तो कोई एरर नहीं कर सकता है.
कोई नहीं करता है, नहीं. And that way we must say that our pilots are also very, very well trained.
That was the most horrendous thing I heard.
No, it
and then they ruled it out.
They ruled it out because they also showed where is that this thing and where is this gear. ऐसा कोई इधर से इधर थोड़ी कर देगा. So no, those things are, but it was so sad. Oh my God, Modi ji's home state, Amit bhai's home state, very sad, very sad. और मुझे तो मेरे लिए अहमदाबाद is home. So I belong to Mumbai only, but it is my home.
You must be quite well versed with that Meghalaya.
That area, everything I know. Ahmedabad, like how much I know Mumbai.
Where the crash happened.
Yeah. So वही ना वहाँ क्या होता है? Somehow now we don't have, like I stay so close to there. हमारे ऊपर से plane जाते हैं. We just thought at that time if a plane just comes in, what do you do? Even those lives of those young doctors studying for. It was terrible. I don't even want to.
It was terrible and it was ridiculous.
Yeah.
And a lot of people talking on television spoke a lot of nonsense.
Yeah. Yeah. One should not actually, say anything about things without knowing, we are no professionals, so we don't know things about it. We only know that it was very sad and a proper probe has to happen in that, So because they are all showing that rat coming out, whether it had come out or not, but we don't know.
I conclude on this note. It's not a very happy note to conclude on, but it's a very
happier
realistic note, I would say, because still that crash is still lurking in front of our eyes.
Very much, very much.
And I wish you all the best for all your future assignments.
Thank you so much. I want to do a lot of good work, Vicky, and God has been kind to me in the same way. He'll remain kind to me. And I'll keep on entertaining people as long as they don't throw me out. Okay, now you are too old. Now don't do anything.
You are active, you're beautiful, you're talented.
Thank you. God has been kind.
What else do you want?
My viewers have been very kind to me. And producers have been very kind to me for giving me very good roles. And let me tell you one thing, I'm very less on Insta, as I said, but 99.9% have only respect for me, 0.1% होते हैं जिसको फिर मैं तो मुझे आई डोंट इवन नो हाउ टू रिप्लाई बैक टू देम, यू नो, सो आई डोंट रिप्लाई, सो आई डोंट रिप्लाई
They
बैक.
don't exist.
हाँ, they don't exist ऐसे. But they have been so kind to me. They have been so respectful to me. So I always see to it that I don't do things which are not right. I don't go out and do things where my viewers will be upset with me. So yes, so I pick and choose very well.
Thank you once again.
My pleasure. Absolutely my pleasure.